my lovelies, and welcome back to Touched by Heaven. It is finally February, the month of reds. So if you would like to see me slay this look in a tutorial, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, let's jump right into this video. Talk a wide range of lippies. I've got nudes, I've got darks, I've got lights, your everydays. We're just gonna do a couple looks and have some fun with it. Guys, before we do anything to these lovelies, we need some moisture. So we're gonna go in with our Hard Candy Lip Primer and just do a 1-2 over the lips really quickly. Oh, drink it up. I needed it. All right, now let's go with our first look, which is going to be a nude, simple, something you can wear every day with any look. So let's just get it started. So to line these lovelies, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel London 1000 Kisses in the shade Tiramisu, and just line these bad boys.
A few moments later.
All right, now for some color, we just want to keep it simple. Again, this is our everyday look in nude. So we are just going to be going in with some moisturizing lip gloss. This has no name, but I do love the color and the ingredients. So we're just going to go in and 1-2 with some gloss. Hello. And now you are ready for 1000 Kisses. Moving on to the next look, we're going to be going in with our Avon Ultra Luxe Shimmer Lip Liner in the shade Shimmering Mauve, which is T10 if you're looking. And we're just going to be lining these bad boys. Now I have already primed, and we're just going to go in. All right, let's put that bad boy back away. Now, I did use this in my previous video, but I just love it so much, so I wanted to include it in these 3 looks. This is my newfound treasure. This is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. That was a lot of words. But we're just going to go in, and this is a sheer color, not too opaque. See how quickly that happened? It's the ingredients. It's the formula that they use. It is so rich, so creamy. It lasts for like about 7 hours. I had it on the other day. And I ate, I drank water, and it still was on there. Even though it is shimmery, it stays on. Love it, love it, love it. Guys, man, our lips are getting some work today. Yes, they are. All right, we're gonna go into our third and final look, and this is going to be for the sultry of hearts. We're gonna keep it dark, and this is gonna be for your nights out, bridal parties, anywhere where you want to be a little bit extra. And that's me every day in February. So we're just going to get to it. We're going to go in with our Avon Glitter Sticks in the shade G111, which is Sugar Plum, if you're wondering. And we're just going to line these bad boys out. Then for the inner part, we're going to be going in with our Maybelline 14-Hour Super Stay lipstick in the shade 100, which it is a beautiful mauve berry color. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. I do want to remind you guys that at 50 subscribers, I will be doing a Morphe palette giveaway. And at 100 subscribers, you will catch my husband in prom glam. So share, share, share. Tell your friends. Let's make this happen. God, I want it to happen so bad.
Subscribe to my channel.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.